The Wombat Willow Pro is a low-profile mechanical keyboard designed to offer a full set of keys in a compact form factor, catering to both Mac and Windows users. Its unique layout and design aim to maximize productivity while minimizing desk space usage. Design and build quality. The Willow Pro features a distinctive design that compresses a full-size keyboard into a narrower width by rearranging key placements. Notably, the function keys and utility keys are positioned above the main key area, and the numeric keypad is situated above the arrow keys. Switches and typing experience. Equipped with Gadgetsvide low-profile linear red switches, the Willow Pro offers a shorter actuation distance of about 3 mm and an actuation force of 50 grams. These switches provide a smooth typing experience without tactile feedback. Connectivity and compatibility. The Willow Pro supports both wired and wireless connections. It can connect to devices via Bluetooth and includes a low-latency RF wireless dongle for a more stable connection. Battery life. Battery performance is a mixed aspect of the Willow Pro. With RGB lighting enabled, the battery life is shorter compared to some competitors. Users focusing on productivity tasks may find it sufficient. Overall, the Wombat Willow Pro is a distinctive mechanical keyboard that successfully combines a full set of keys into a compact and low-profile design. Thank you so much.